Everyone, our new session related to SAP production planning. So today topic is to how to create resource. This video is relevant who is working in a manufacturing company as a end user or working as a master data management team, and also who is looking career into SAP. So we are just defining in very simple way how to create a resource. In this video we are not going to show so much critical things. It's a big basic simple daily use for the user who are you trying to make career in SAP. Resource is the master data that is relevant to recipe of a product. It contains the data of scheduling, capacity planning, and the costing, the most important thing used in the companies. All the manufacturing activities are performed in the resource. The resource can be used to monitor the scheduling, product costing, and capacity planning. So now we are going to show you how to create a resource in SAP. Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to show how to create a resource. So to create a resource, we need to run the transaction CRC1. Press enter. First, you need to select the plant for which plant you are going to create this resource. Then this is the code number for the resource. You can maintain like we are going to maintain here RL10 MIL2, and this is the resource category. If we click on this F4 button, this is showing 008 is the processing unit and 09 for the personal resource store and the processing store. These are the category which is the part of a configuration we will discuss in the later. If we want to copy from existing resource, then we can maintain that plant. That plant can be different, not require the same plant. Like here we can take any reference plant and we can take any reference code. So if we click on the resource, we can see RL010. This will show RL010 resources, but we are checking for RL08. So these are the RL08. We select this one, and after that we will press enter. System will ask which data you want to copy. So we select these, or we can select all. For now we are selecting only these and click on copy button. So you see that description and other thing is already copied. So we go to the basic data, we can change the description RL10 resource. That can be your machine, or that can be a group of machine. This is the category which put in the selection screen. Person responsible, the person who is handling that production unit, we maintain here. And uses, where we want to use it in master recipe and process order. And this standard value key is the most important part. You see, the cost of the operation will come when we assign any standard value key. If we select like any of standard key, we are selecting like for this distillery, then press enter. So you see labor and overhead is assigned. After that, if you want to do automatic backflush, you can do the backflush also. Backflush meaning automatic goods receipt option. Control key, these are the, we can keep it blank, or if we want any default control key. In the later sessions we also discuss about each field like control key, standard text key, wages type, wages group, but this session is only for resource creation. And in capacity we also can define like capacity we are adding start time, capacity of this resource, capacity responsible, and base unit of measurement. Here we can maintain like our machine is starting at 9 and it's closing at 6, and between we are taking 1 hour break, and we are having 100% utilizations for an individual machine. And we also can define the percentage of overload, and its resource is relevant for scheduling, and it can be used in the several operations. So we can click on these, and we also can define where we want to use it in long-term planning or not. So that capacity we assigned, and the formula we can maintain to calculate the capacity. And after that we go to the next, same like scheduling, capacity that we created assigned to that scheduling basis. Costing is the most important tab where we assign the cost center into resource that all the cost will be uploaded onto this one. So for now we are taking any one of them. For example, once we have that resource, the system says that we also assign that activity type here, that will be also assigned to this cost center, and the cost center type also should be the production relevance, and we assign the formula for labor and for overhead. We create here the formula already created in the configuration, like bottling bottle, yeah, these can be custom or SAP standard formula also available that we can use to calculate that cost. Once adding all these detail, we just simply need to click on this save button, and your resource will be saved. So this is for the beginner who want to just like to learn. For end users who are the like having responsibility of master data management and users. So this video is for that purpose. Thank you. Kindly subscribe our channel for these type more videos. Thank you.